Hey guys, Lenny here from Purposely Pixel, and today I'm pretty excited actually. We received a beautiful gift from Google, and it's right here. Now, I'm sure you guys can guess what it is, but I'm going to show you. Stay tuned. So let's check out what's inside the box. So we get this big box from Google. Has nothing on the sides or the front. And as we open it, it's like a, oh, it's nice. It has like a nice little magnetic touch here. So we open this up and wow, I don't know if you could see this, but I'm going to try and get this in here. It's the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Let me see if I could get the camera to get a better shot of it. But this is what it looks like. It's like a pop-up. It's really nice, actually a very nice presentation. And you'll see it says open here. So we're going to open this up, fix our camera. So inside the box we have the Pixel 6 Pro case and we have the Pixel 6 Pro. So let's check out the Pixel 6 Pro. We'll take a look at the Pixel 6 Pro case a little later on. So this is the Pixel 6 Pro. This is actually the 128 gigabyte version. You can probably see that on the back right there. It's 128 gigabyte version. It says 6.7 inch Stormy Black. It also comes in two other colors, sort of sunny and cloudy white. So this is the Stormy Black color, the one that I actually wanted. So I want to thank Google for sending it out. And I just want to say that Google does not influence me to give any positive reviews about the products that they send out. This is a gift from them, so I disclosed that, and I just wanted to thank them for it. But my thoughts on the device, the performance, and everything else is my own. So let's get into it. The Pixel 6 Pro, one of the most anticipated devices of the year, if not the most, from leaks to new hardware, new tensor chip, triple array of cameras, and now it's finally here. So the wait is finally over. So let's unbox it and see what we have inside. And here it is. And wow, this is pretty nice. It's very premium looking, very classy. This is the big 6.7 inch AMOLED screen. We'll power that on in a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. We have warranty information from Team Pixel. We have the three USB-C to USB-C cable. We have a manual with the SIM injector still in there. And we have the USB-A to USB-C. Now, one thing I did notice, and I don't know if any of you noticed this, and I'm going to take my Pixel 5a box and compare it. Obviously, the size is a lot different. We know why. There's no power brick in here. There was a power brick in here. But one thing I did notice is that if you look at the side of the box, it represents the color of the Pixel. This is new. I've never seen Google do that before. And I don't have the other devices to confirm it, but that's exactly what I'm thinking. It matches the color profile that you buy. So that's pretty cool. So let me power this on and then we could talk about the device. Let me get it set up, so give me a few minutes and I'll be right back. So let's talk about the Pixel 6 Pro. It's a 6.7 inch curved display. It has matted buttons on the side for the power and the volume. It has this nice little camera hump that has the array of cameras that we'll talk about in a little bit with the Google logo. On this side, there's really nothing except the SIM card tray. On the bottom, it has the USB port with the two speaker cutouts. On the top end, it has a little microphone. And even this part of it is more of a matted finish versus the glossy finish on the sides. I don't know if you could see that. The device feels good in hand. This camera bump, let's see what it does when we lay it on the table. It's pretty cool because it's not wobbly at all. As you can see, it don't like shake or do anything. I was afraid that, you know, because of the size of it, it's going to like be uneven and shake all around, but it don't. And due to, obviously, embargo restrictions, I can only show you the front of the device. I can't do anything more with it. But we could talk about the hardware and all that it offers. So as I mentioned earlier, It's Gorilla Glass thickness on the front and back. It has an always-on display, as you can see. It is run by the Google Tensor chip, which is new to Pixel, and it's, you know, something that we've all been waiting for, Google making their own chip with their software and hardware. It's their device now. They are not restricted by anything else, right? It's everything Google does. So we can't blame Qualcomm or anyone else if the device isn't performing the way it should be. Google controls everything now, which is great. It has a 6.7-inch screen, 1440 by 3120. It's big, it's bright, it's beautiful as for a first impression right now. It's 512 ppi density. This is the 128 gig model, but they also have a 256 and a 512. It comes with 12 gigs of RAM. It has a triple camera setup now. So we have a 50 megapixel wide angle lens, a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12 ultra wide, all on the back with a dual LED flash. The selfie camera on itself is 11.1 megapixel, 2.2 aperture, ultra wide, auto HDR. It can record video in 4K 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second. The back cameras can record video at 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second and at 1080p at 30, 60, 120, and 240 frames per second. It has stereo speakers. No, it don't have a 3.5 millimeter jack. It has Bluetooth 5.2 and all the other features that we want. It has a built-in in-screen fingerprint reader, nothing on the back. It's built into the screen, as you can see by this indication here. That's how you open it, and it does not have face recognition, so you would need to press on the screen. I don't really see too many fingerprints on it, even though, you know, it's this shiny color in the back. It really looks good. It reminds me of Raider colors, so I'm pretty happy to get this color. Let's check out the case that they sent us, and let's see how it fits. And I'm sorry if it's long and winded. I just wanted to cover all the bases to let you know what it's all about. And we'll have a full review. We'll have some speed tests going on with the Pixel 5a. We'll also have camera comparisons and show you the capabilities of the camera in the video in the next weeks. We just put this case on, and it's nice, actually. It's a thick TPU, has nice buttons on the side. What I really like is right here, it has a lip on both sides, so when you rest it down, the camera lens isn't on the ground. It's a little raised above, so I think you could see that like that, which is very cool. I'm very happy to see that, because my biggest concern is this big camera strip. They have other cases that have like the cutouts only for the camera strip, but it hides the identity of the actual Google Pixel. So this is a pretty nice case. It has the openings for the speakers and the USB-C and the microphone and actually the camera strip. So I think it's a lovely device. I want to thank Google once again. And if you're new to this channel, just hit that subscribe button. We're going to have a lot more content coming your way. We thank you for watching. This is Lenny Bond from Purposely Pixel signing off.